Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We start the drawing with a big curve. Here we draw the lower body part. Of the bird that again we draw a big curve. To draw the upper body part of the bird, we draw the wings of the birds. This is leg. Red color. Yellow color. Birds are warm-blooded animals that lay eggs. They have feathers, which help them fly and stay warm. Most birds can fly, but some, like penguins and ostriches, cannot. Birds use their beaks to eat, build nests, and care for their young. They live in different habitats, like forests, grasslands, and even cities. Many birds migrate long distances to find food or warmer weather. Red color. Birds communicate with each other through songs and calls. A group of birds flying together is called a flock. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.